This study began with a discussion with the Toronto Transit Commission on what kind of changes we could do with the system and investigate the impact of those changes on air quality.
Great news for commuters in Toronto, as a new study from University of Toronto Engineering and Health Canada has shown that the air quality on TTC Subway platforms and inside the subway cars has improved. The team proved this by measuring fine particulate matter.
We're interested in these fine particles because they can penetrate down deep in the lungs. So yes, they are a health concern. So we're interested in what concentrations there are and how we could improve the air quality, in particular in the subway system. But this goes beyond the Toronto system. We're interested in general what we can learn, because this may help all subway systems.
This news comes on the heels of a report by Toronto Public Health last year urging the TTC to take action to improve its air quality. At the time, TBH said the particulate matter, which can include aerosols, smoke, fumes, dust, among others, was high enough to warrant mitigation, particularly on Line 2. The study done by U of T and Health Canada showed that on the Line 1 platform, particulate matter levels decreased by about 30%, and inside the trains dropped by about 50% compared to levels in 2010 to 2011. This was due to newer trains.
More generally, this indicates how changes in subway technology can have a substantial change in air quality and the opportunities that this presents, but also the need for ongoing monitoring because it can go the other way. So we're very happy that it has improved on the Toronto system, which I personally use and I love, but there's also possibilities for changes of technology to go the other way. And so that's the reason that it's important for system operators to be aware of their air quality.
On Toronto's Line 2 that Public Health called out last year, the results were mixed due to new trains not being rolled out yet.
Well, Line 2 is a very interesting situation, and the main finding from our data from Line 2 was showing that operational changes which reduced the emission of brake dust had a huge impact on air quality.
The study also showed that while Toronto's results on average fared better than subway platforms in New York and Boston, it did not when measured against Washington or Philadelphia. You can find the full report by heading to our website, citynews.ca/extras. In Toronto, I'm Brandon Rowe for City News.